the farm of Davao City, the land of promise. The land of promise of Hello Carabao, our national animal is the Carabao, and we're going. About the fern. How much is it? Madayaw dapat. Ay, ko ano, asa na ako ng change na ko daw, ma'am. Ilang ma'am? Pa-change pa ang ilang ko ang the restaurant. Welcome to the farm restaurant, please. Hi, good morning, ma'am. Ay, kanang akong change. Nakada ko change. Oh, napaka-get na change. Mag-ano pa ka? Naging siya pool. Pero pag magligo sa pool, ma'am, mag-entrance Japon. 85. Another entrance. Restaurant. Tadi pila ng kilo sa rambutan? Pila ni? 50? Diri ang nahi. Asa to dapit gani ang katong cave? Ah, pwede po diri. Akong balikan na nako. Pag ikot-ikot pa ko. Ay, pwede maagi diri te. Balikan na ako, wala pa. Ha? Balikan? Balikan na ako ha. Welcome to the farm. I'm going to the cave. Who's in here? I want to get my things too. Come on. Well, 120 pesos to entrance here. And then when I was a child, a little girl, it's so long ago. I'm here and I'm adult old already. Because of my conference. I see. There is a house through here. Tree house. I'm going to the cave. Where is the farm? farming resort. Ano sa basketball court. There's some, you can do some picnics here. You can bring your foods. But I only bring water and food. Hello. Hello. Pag weekend, daghan o kuan tao diri ano. Domingo no, mag-picnic. Kinaman picnic area. The Bridge Education. Look at this here, guys. The Parade of Philippine Presidents. Oh, see? It is educational pulpit. Mostly here. Asa man tong cave ya? Ha? Isaran nga ano man? Dili na siya pwede masudlan. The Parade of the Philippine President, guys. Okay. So we're gonna pass the guy here. Dr. P. Rizal, our national hero. This one. It comes Natura Aquino, the mother of Katipunan. Kalitang Arayana. The parade of our heroes. Head statue. Solano Donkey. Mariana Gomez. National. It's an educational. General Malbar. Look at this one of Great Princess Obisoyo. This man, Ignacia, this Philippine. Small education. Yeah. I'm gonna introduce you all this stuff. But this is the head hero statues. Lapu-Lapu. Si Lapu-Lapu. Diego silang. Tagapagpalaya ng Ilocos. Diego silang. And then the head president. This is the head statue. Oh here. It's the president head. What's this? Ferdinand Marcos, President of the Philippines. This is head statue here at the Gapar. The Philippine President. Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Tatay Digong, the 16th President of the Philippines. Oh, nana din si Tatay Digong, the head. Benigno Aquino. Ayun. Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. The president of this head, President Joseph Ernesto Estrada, the Philippine President, head started President Fidel B. Ramos, and Corazon C. Aquino. Ferdinand A. Marcos, ang tatay ni BBM. And then Justado Macapagal, all the head of the president here. Carlos P. Garcia, the old president here. Ramon Magsaysay. What's this? LPG Quirino. All this, the head president and the heroes here. I know what to find. Thanks for all watching, guys. Love you all. Welcome to the park. For the girls Filipino people.